Hi everybody, this is Christophe, and today I have a very good test to do. It's to do the upgrade of the AppleSqueezer from core 3 to 4 directly from the Finder without installation of additional things. So we will see how it is, how things are going. So the 2GS is now up and running. Let's have a look. AppleSqueezers. ROM version 3, core version 3, sorry. And now let's try and see how easy it is. So go into the AppleSqueezer cdev, update, select file, seems to be easy. So as last time, it's real time. In this Apple 2GS, I have also a number cruncher reloaded card. So we will see how it looks like after hard reboot. Don't forget hard reboot. So special shutdown, and let's go for a hard reboot. So the system is rebooting, and normally I must be in core 4. So let's have a look directly first here. Core version 4, so easy. And the system is up and running. No problem. The interface is even more smooth. And if I had a look into, because you know I have a number cruncher reloaded card, so additional FPU on this system. Let's just have a look into a simple benchmark. So yes, I have the feeling that it's provide better number than with core 3. And it seems that it fixed also some little issues, pixel issues and so on. So again, I think our friends from Netherlands, Nick, did a very, very good job. Now I'm looking for core 5 and additional news. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and of course feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.